Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here we have, this is a nice right triangle A, B and C, in which the length of one side is A equals to 3 and the length of other two sides are unknown. So here for this less information we need to find the parameter of this right triangle. So here first we remember one thing is that our A, B and C should must be positive integer values, or we just solve this positive integer values of a, b and c. So here for parameter of this triangle we need to find the values of other two unknown sides, and then we easily use the formula parameter and we get the required value. So here you see that this is a nice right triangle, and we know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base, and the third side is called the perpendicular or altitude side of this triangle. So here we solve this problem with the help of Pythagoras theorem, and you very well know about that. The Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And here in this right triangle the value of hypotenuse is c, so it will becomes here c square. The value of base is a square, and the value of perpendicular is denoted by b square. So here we substitute the value of a, it is 3, so when you put it here it will become c square equals to 3 square plus b square. And now in the next step here we move the term b square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become c square minus b square is equals to, this is 3 square, and 3 square is equals to 9. And here you see that in the left hand side we have, this is a very famous algebraic formula, c square minus b square is equals to c minus b times of c plus b is equals to 9. So here you see that in the left hand side we have, there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So first we need to make first we need to find any two positive integers whose product becomes 9. So the possibilities are 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 is also equals to 9. So we have, there are two possibilities in which we get the product of two positive integers becomes 9, and so that we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we will write c minus b is equals to 1 and c plus b is equals to 9. And the second case is we compare both of these two factors with these two values. So that our second case is c minus b is equals to 3 and c plus b is also equals to 3. So first we need to focus on second case. So first we solve the second case and then we move towards our first case. So in the second case we call this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and here we subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we subtract these two equations, then we need to change these signs. So this is negative c and positive c are gone, and minus b and minus b becomes minus 2b. This positive and negative term are also gone, and we get here 0. So in the second case we easily get the value of b is equals to 0. So here we know that b be the perpendicular side of the given triangle. So here the perpendicular side cannot be 0, so it is not possible that any side length of triangle is 0, because all the sides are greater than or equals to 0. So b equals to 0 is not possible, so that we rejected this case. And now here we just proceed the second, we proceed the first case only. So here in this case we will be called, this is equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So here from this case we get the values of b and c, so that we sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add these two equations we obtain c plus c becomes 2 times of c is equals to, this is minus b and plus b are gone, and we get 1 plus 9 becomes here 10. So for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 2, and it will be written as 2c divided by 2 is equals to 10 divided by 2. So further you see here, this 2 and 2 are gone, and we obtain C is equals to, this is 2 times 5 becomes 10, and we get the value of C is equals to 5. So this is the first value of C, and now we substitute this value of C into the equation number 3, and we get the values of B. So that our equation number 3 is implies that this is C minus B is equals to 1, and when we put this value here, it will becomes 5 minus B is equals to 1. So further in the next step, we move minus b to the right hand side, and we move 1 to the left hand side, and it will becomes 5 minus 1 is equals to b, and 5 minus 1 becomes 4 is equals to b. So this is the uh, one value of b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 5. So here we substitute both of these two. Here we just find all three sides length of the given triangle, and now we use the parameter and we easily get the required value. So we very well know about that the formula of parameter of the triangle is equals to the sum of all the sides length of the given triangle. It is a plus b plus c. So we have the value of a is equals to 3, and the value of b is 4, and the value of c is 5. So here we obtain 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So this is the required parameter of the given right triangle, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.